Where is your home? Where is your home? Near the park. Near the park. Can I use this? Can I use this? Just for a while. Just for a while. Are you eating lunch? Are you eating lunch? I just finished. I just finished. Do you have money? Do you have money? A little in my pocket. A little in my pocket. Can you play chess? Can you play chess? Not really well. Not really well. Are you watching TV? Are you watching TV? A funny show. A funny show. Is this your book? Is this your book? Nope, it's borrowed. Nope, it's borrowed. Where is the key? Where is the key? I misplaced it. I misplaced it. Can I hold this? Can I hold this? Careful, it's heavy. Careful, it's heavy. Do you like summer? Do you like summer? Only with ice cream. Only with ice cream. Where is your hat? Where is your hat? I forgot it. I forgot it. Can I call now? Can I call now? It's a bad time. It's a bad time. Do you like mangoes? Do you like mangoes? They are delicious. They are delicious. Are you feeling hot? Are you feeling hot? It's burning today. It's burning today. Can we eat now? Can we eat now? My stomach says yes. My stomach says yes. What do you do? What do you do? I teach kids. I teach kids. Are you free now? Are you free now? I have 5 minutes. I have 5 minutes. Do you like swimming? Do you like swimming? Only in deep water. Only in deep water. Where is your bike? Where is your bike? At my friend's house. At my friend's house. Can I open this? Can I open this? Be gentle. Be gentle. Do you love chocolates? Do you love chocolates? I crave them. I crave them. Where is your mom? Where is your mom? In the kitchen. In the kitchen. Can you sing? Can you sing? Only in the shower. Only in the shower. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Not yet. Not yet. Where is your friend? Where is your friend? He's late again. He's late again. Can I borrow this? Can I borrow this? Return it soon. Return it soon. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Take this one. Take this one. Are you feeling bored? Are you feeling bored? A little bit. A little bit.